Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I receive this question all the time. How do I choose a broker? What do I look for when selecting a broker? And I'm going to answer that question right now. But remember, if you need more help with stocks, trading, investing, choosing a broker, putting together an investing plan, whatever it might be, you can email me anytime at davidmodell@gmail.com. All right, so how do I choose a broker? I want you to research all of these important factors when shopping around for a broker. And I do want you to shop around for a broker because there are many of them. There are lots of online, self-directed brokers. You really can do it yourself, and there are lots of choices out there, so you shouldn't have to settle for one that you're not happy with. And you can actually have more than one brokerage account. You can have more than one account with more than one broker. It's okay to do that. So it's okay to be picky and selective and choose the one that you can answer confidently all of these questions. All right, first, customer service. Talking about the customer service, is it phone customer service and online chat and email customer service? Or is it just online chat and email? I prefer that they have customer service available on the phone. That's just my preference, but it's important to me. Sometimes I want to be able to talk to somebody. I want to hear their voice, and I want them to be able to hear my voice. Is it 24/7 customer service, or is the customer service only available during limited hours? I want to be able to sometimes talk to somebody in customer service after market hours, after the market closes, on weekends, holidays, that kind of thing. Are they friendly, the customer service? Are they helpful? Will they answer all of your questions? Will they patiently walk you through the process of setting up your account or whatever it is you need help with? This, to me, is the most important consideration in choosing a broker. Now, you have to decide what's most important for you, but for me, customer service is number one, the number one factor. But here's some other important factors. Trade execution. Will your buy and sell orders be executed or filled quickly? In fast-moving markets, even a few seconds can make a difference. Will they work hard to get you the best possible price for your order? Remember, the stock market is like a great big auction where prices are haggled over. All right, so you definitely want them to execute your trades, all of your buy and sell orders promptly, and you want to get a good price every single time. Speed and quality of the broker's website and trading software or platform. Navigation, and this is both for the website and the software, navigation should be quick and should be intuitive. And by that, I mean easy to figure out what to do without a lot of instructions. And the charting software doesn't necessarily need to have all of the bells and whistles, all the fancy stuff, unless you want that. But for me, it doesn't have to have all the bells and whistles. More isn't always better, as long as it has the features that you need. So you have to decide what you're looking for in the website and in the charting or trading software or platform for the broker. If they have what you need and it works properly and it works quickly, then that's a good sign. What else do I look for? Commission structure. In other words, what are they charging to buy and sell stocks and other things? How much does the broker charge per transaction to buy or sell stocks? With so many online brokers out there, there's no need to pay exorbitant commissions anymore. It's not like the old days when you had to call up brokers by the phone and they would charge a lot more. Nowadays, with online self-directed brokers and so much competition among brokers, there's no need to pay a lot. No or very few hidden fees. A lot of people they're not even aware of this. I'll give you some examples. Some brokers have an inactivity fee in which they will charge you if you open an account with them, and if you don't use the account for a while, maybe 6 months or a year or whatever, they'll actually charge you a fee for that. Some brokers will charge you to set up an IRA, individual retirement account. So you want to ask questions like that, all right? Ask about the fees. What kinds of fees do they have? Restrictions on trading certain assets, certain types of stocks or other products. There are brokers that will not allow you to buy or sell certain products, such as cryptocurrency-related funds or volatility products. And if you don't know what those are, don't worry about it. Just be aware that certain brokers might restrict you from trading certain things. And this one's optional, but I think it's worth asking. Does the broker offer a free demo account? This is also known as a virtual account or a paper trading account, and it allows you to practice your trades and investments without using real money. It's great to be able to practice. Try out your trading or investing strategies without any risk. All right, so those are the things I look for. It's not really in order, although I did put probably the most important one, I would say, the customer service at the top, and I put probably the most optional one, which is the demo account. Not all of them offer that. That's okay. You know, that might not be a deal breaker for me, but it is a nice feature to have a demo account available. But look at all these things. Ask lots of questions and choose the broker or more than one broker that's right for your needs. My email address, once again, is davidmodell@gmail.com. If you want help with stocks or trading, investing, putting together a plan, you can email me at any time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit that bell on YouTube so you can receive the latest updates whenever I put out a financial educational video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I'll talk to you again soon.